Hello, year one again. So here's Miss Ada continuing explaining some of the lessons in your course A on code. This lesson 8 can be a little bit challenging because in this one, you have to use the repeat button. In lesson 6, remember, our repeat button appeared, the pink one, but if you didn't use it, it was okay. But in lesson 8, in lesson 9, you have to use it. It's a little bit challenging, but I think you can do it, okay? So Miss Ada is going to get out of the screen. You're going to only listen to my voice, okay? Because maybe you get distracted by Miss Ada, so I just get my voice. Oh, actually, I'm still there. Okay, I couldn't get out of me. All right. So you finish, suppose you finish lesson 8. No hurry. If you do a half, like for example, there are 14 levels. In lesson 8, there are 12 levels. If you do 6 levels in 1 week and 6 on the other week, it's fine. It's not necessary for you to do everything in a week. But if you do, well, good, excellent, you are doing great. But it's better to go slow, little by little, than to rush and not know what you are doing, okay? So, but for those who finish, let's go for lesson 9, level 1, which looks like to be a video, and it is a video. In this lesson, we are going to help Lauren. Lauren is this girl here to collect some diamonds. Yes, so you can watch the video, which is quite cool, but Miss Ada is going to continue here, okay? So remember that you can always see the explanations here, the instructions, and you can play the instructions.
Free play. This is Lauren the adventurer. Move her around and get as much treasure as you can. Drag blocks into the workspace and try to figure out how to get treasure. Get at least one item to pass this level.
So they are saying that this is a free play, meaning you can do anything and that's it. Okay. All right, so I'm going just to go. Oh, but I know she needs to go anything, but I'm going to go east. I think it's faster to get to the gem. I want to get these gems. So I'm going to go east. Not yet. So need to go east one more time. East 1, east 2. Okay, now let's keep going east. But I didn't get the diamond. Why? Before, when we were in lesson 6, we went over the metal. I'm sorry. We went over the metal and the robot would collect the metal. Remember? But now in lesson 8, it's not, no, in lesson 9, it's not collecting. So maybe, oops, this one. So maybe there is something more here. Let's click on instructions. Let's see what they have for us. I want a hand. Oh, after you have moved to a square with treasure, oh, it's a treasure, okay, use this block to pick it up. So I went east again, and now I have to get one treasure. And it should be here. Let's see, one treasure block. Aha, there's a treasure block here. So I put this to the side. I'm gonna get, oh, it's not coming. I want to drag, it's not coming. Oh, sometimes I need to reset to make it come. Oh, now it's working. Now it is working. Good. So let's run. East, get the treasure, east. Okay. Oh, they told me to finish because this was a free play. So anything I do, it's fine. So I can stop here to go on, but if you want, you can finish and get all the treasure. I like this. I like getting the treasure. I think I'm going to get all the treasure. Okay, so again, we don't need to go west. We don't need to go north. We don't need to go south. We need to go east to get our treasure. I need to go 1 square, 2 squares, and get my treasure. So 1, 2, and get my treasure. Oops. Snap it. So 1 east, 2 east, get the treasure. So now I need to go up again. Sometimes when, like for example, when Miss Ada is trying to do this, I need to keep going up and down. I have to scroll here up and down to find. If I go here on these 3 dots from Chrome and I make my screen smaller, I zoom in. See, it gets it a little bit smaller, but at least I can have everything. I can see everything. So it's a good trick. Yeah, it's a good trick. You can ask Mama or Baba to help you. And so I need to go east again and get the treasure. Let me drag this treasure. So I'm going to reset and let's see. East 1, east 2, get the treasure. East 1, get the treasure. Oh, I'm still not there. Let's see my hint.
You'll have to move before you can collect any treasure.
Okay, I need to move to collect. Let's see.
After you have moved from the square,
I got it. Okay. So I need to go 1 more east and get the treasure. East, get the treasure, east, get the treasure, east, get the treasure. Yay! I love this and I can go on. And I am sure you also can go on. Good job. And you can use the repeat buttons here too to help you collect the treasures. All right? Have fun.